पणजे 2 दिसां पयलीं गाडयेंतल्यान पयशे फारोवपी दोग जाणांक फोंड्या सांपळून धरले। तातूंतलो एकलो फरार आसा। रोख रक्कम सोडल्यार 2 लॅपटॉप आनी हेर सामान जप्त केला। पणजे पे पार्किंगेंत लायिल्ल्या गाडयेची काच फोडून चोरांनी पयशे आनी वस्तू फारोवन व्हेल्ल्यो।
And with their painstaking and meticulous efforts, within 48 hours, under the guidance of P.I. Nikhil Palekar, they managed to apprehend those accused from Bathora area and recovered the goods worth ₹7 lakhs from those accused. The name of those accused are one Haidar, son of Riyaz Khan, and the second one is Nizamuddin Jalegar, both resident of Bathora. And the property worth ₹7 lakh was recovered at their instance, and they have been arrested in this crime. And the team, which was formed by P.I. Nikhil Palekar, has done an excellent job, and with their tireless effort through the scientific investigation, they managed to apprehend those accused under the direct supervision of SP North Sri Akshat Kaushal.
So you have mentioned about 7 lakh. What about 2 lakhs?
2 lakhs were cash. So we are still in a process of recovering that cash after obtaining the remand of the accused from the Honorable Court. So that process will go on. The investigation is not yet completed. So that investigation to recover the remaining part of the property is underway.